Today we'll be reviewing my model airport replica of Honolulu International Airport. Let's dive straight into it. Starting off the airport update, we have this Qantas 787-9 Dreamliner. This aircraft is in the 100-year anniversary livery and is taking off on runway 8 right for the flight out to Sydney, Australia. Holding shore on the runway, we have this Hawaiian Airlines Airbus A321neo. This is holding shore, as I mentioned, for the flight out to San Jose, California. Next up, we have this Japan Airlines 767-300. This aircraft is third in line for departure, and it'll be heading out to Osaka. Following that, we have this Delta Airlines 757-300, also known as the Flying Pencil, quite literally. This will be heading out to Atlanta. Next up, we have this gorgeous Hawaiian Airlines Airbus A330-200. This aircraft is in the new livery and will be doing a departure flight out to Seattle. It is currently fourth in line for departure. Next up, we have this massive 747-8 operating for UPS Airlines. This will be doing a departure flight out to Hong Kong. Next up, we have this gorgeous ANA Airbus A380 currently rotating off of runway 8 right, and this will be heading out to Tokyo, Haneda. Starting us off at the terminal, we have this awesome WestJet 737 MAX 8. This aircraft is currently getting fuel, and it'll be heading out to Edmonton. Next up, we have a Hawaiian Airbus A330-200 in the new livery, of course, loading on the passengers and crew, and this will be heading out to Phoenix Sky Harbor. Really quick, I wanted to tell you guys where I get all of my aircraft models from. I get them from the Midwest Model Store. I have put a link in the description, and they have super good prices and fast shipping. So check it out, it is the link in the description. I will also be giving shout outs to everybody that uses that link to buy anything, as it helps support me so much. Moving back to the airport update, we have this Hawaiian Airbus A330-200 in the new livery once again. This aircraft will be heading out to Austin, which is a fairly new route for Hawaiian Airlines. Moving on to the next gate, we have this Japan Airlines 787-9 Dreamliner. This aircraft just got catered and it'll be getting pushed back shortly for the flight out to Tokyo, Narita. Moving on to the inter-island concourse, we have this Hawaiian 717. This aircraft is getting fueled up and loading on the passengers for the flight out to Kona. Next up, we have another Hawaiian 717. This aircraft just arrived in from Kahului and will be heading back out there in about 20 minutes. Starting off at the middle concourse, we have this United Airlines 737 MAX 9. This aircraft is in the old livery and is currently pushing back for the flight out to Los Angeles. Just following that, we have this Alaska Airlines 737-900 in the Member of the One World livery. This aircraft just arrived in from PDX. Just following that, for the first heavy aircraft at the terminal is this Air Canada 787-9 Dreamliner. This will be heading out to Vancouver. It is currently getting serviced. Following that, we have this Hawaiian Airlines Airbus A321neo. This aircraft just arrived in from San Francisco and will be heading back out there shortly. In shot now, we have two beautiful Southwest 737 MAX 8 aircrafts. This first one will be departing for the flight out to San Diego. Just pushing back out of the gate, we have this Southwest 737 MAX 8. As I did mention, it'll be pushing back and it'll be heading out to Las Vegas, which is a really long flight on a 737. At the last gate at the middle concourse, we have this gorgeous American Airbus A321. This aircraft is in the stand-up to Cancer livery and will be departing for the flight out to Dallas-Fort Worth. Moving on to the last concourse, we have this Philippine Airlines Airbus A330-300. This aircraft is currently loading on the baggage as well as the passengers, and it'll be heading out to Manila. Next up, we have this gorgeous United 767. This aircraft is in the new livery. The jetway just got attached as it just arrived in from Chicago O'Hare, and later this evening it'll be heading back out to Chicago O'Hare. The last aircraft at the gate is this gorgeous United 777-300ER. It is currently loading on the passengers and will be heading out to Los Angeles. It is pretty rare for the 777-300 to operate this route, but it has happened before. In this gorgeous shot, we have 3 different palm trees, as well as this FedEx 777 freighter, currently loading on the pilots and baggage, and will be heading out to Osaka later tonight. That does conclude today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy the airport update and all of the accessories and palm trees. If you guys did enjoy the video, please consider subscribing to the channel, as it does really help support me. And huge shout out to everybody that uses my link in the description to buy airplanes, as it helps fund my giveaways. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.